Hi, my name is Giovanna Lovato. I'm one of the members of the Labchange project, and let me begin explaining what exactly our project is about, and how our team has been working to bring our vision to life. Labchange is more than just a game, it's an experience that seeks to raise awareness of the public about how obsolete and cruel is the world of animal testing in laboratories. With Labchange, we intend to sensibilize people through the experience of playing as tested animals first trying to escape a lab. And as they progress in the journey, the player learns about replacement methods through a special ARG mechanic. Further into the game, with the help of a scientist, they aim to change the lab and save the animals trapped in there.
Hi, my name is Thierry Flores and I'm the one of the game designers of Labchange. I'm going to talk about how games can be used as a perfect tool to reach the public, sensibilize and educate them. In today's world, video games are one of the most consumed form of media, with about 3.6 billion of players globally, which represents 61% of the population connected to internet and 43% of the total world population. Sometimes games are still misinterpreted as just a childish hobby, when there's so much more. Some games can be truly life-changing experiences, telling rich stories and connecting the player to the characters on the screen. Regardless of being virtual worlds and characters, the feelings are real for the players, and that's exactly what we're trying to do with Labchange. Make the people who plays it create a bond with the animals, sensibilizing them about the animal cause and the necessity of the replacement methods.
Hi, my name is Douglas Silva. I'm part of the development team, and I'm going to talk about the challenge of making a game like Labchange. First of all, we had to learn from zero how to build it. We chose the Godot engine for its versatility and accessibility, and it was worth it. Our mission with this game is to put the player in a point of view of the animals, make them work together, and really feel the differences between playing as each character, in a way that you need to use all of them to solve the puzzles, but at the same time, not making it too hard for the non-gamers, because we want everyone to experience it and feel sensibilized. Talking about the animals in the game, the bunny can do wall jumps, hide between trash cans and run. The rat one can enter in pipes and vents, bite things like wires and tapes, while the monkey can push heavy objects like crates and interact with password keyboards, using intellect and his opposable thumb. We really hope that through the gameplay we can catch people's attention and drive them to learn more about the animal cause and the replacement method through our ARG mechanic, which will be explained later.
Hi, my name is Roberta Faveiro. I'm part of the game design team, and I'm here to talk about our faithful visual representation in Labchange. When creating a game, one of the main cores is the art style. It's through it that we can convey the feeling, the ambience to the players. After some discussion, we went for the 2D hand-drawn look. And we wanted our game to feel grounded. Instead of colorful and playful, we wanted to show how terrifying a laboratory can be, especially in an animal's point of view. So we searched for real-life inspirations. With the help of our supervisor Deborah, who has a years-long research about replacement methods, and also Amanda, one of our team members who actually works in a pharmacology lab in the university that tests in flies and rodents, helping us build a realistic environment. We also did research to see which animals are used in tests more often, and we ended up with a really charismatic team of characters who work really well together and are based on true data. A white rabbit, a lab rat, and a rhesus monkey. We really fell in love with our roster of protagonists and truly believe that our public will too.
Hi, I'm Miguel dos Santos, and I'm going to explain one of the cores of Labchange, the ARG. The ARG stands for Alternative Reality Game. This term is usually applied to experiences that go in many ways out of the game itself, with puzzles involving external sites, codes, computer files, and even sometimes real-life challenges. In Labchange, our idea is to use it to teach people about replacement methods. Going beyond the sensibilization, we're also aiming for education. So during the game, the player will eventually find passwords that the monkey can use to open certain PCs. given access to the laboratory website. It opens up an external link to the player's browser, and there they will find descriptions about how the test works and how cruel they are, but alongside it, links to our teacher Deborah's researches about replacement methods. There, the player can learn about the alternative ways to deal with a lot of tests that don't cost the lives of innocent animals, and become aware about what corporations don't tell the people, potentially becoming a new allies to the cause and teaching the others around them. And that is our biggest differential. Education delivered by sensibilization first.
Hi, my name is Deborah Gaspareto. I'm a professor at UFSM in the Industrial Design program, and my field is interface design. I've been researching animal-free science and replacement methods for more than 10 years. I'm supervisor and creator of the Labchange project that, together with my other project called Alter Echo, which is also about replacement methods research. The Labchange project was stuck in development for years, suffering many changes along the way. But this year, with this new team, we can finally see it coming to life. Our team is full of dedicated students that are giving their best even without any financial return, and their unique skills and points of view together are creating a really heart-touching experience, combining sensitivity with education to create an incredible public awareness tool. We really hope to bring Labchange in this full potential for the public next year, and that we aiming for the recognition and support of fundings like the Lush Prize. We believe that your project can really make a huge difference, especially in such a connected world. Our game and research can be used to sensibilize people all across the world.
Well, now that you have learned about our project, Labchange, you should know that we have so much more ideas to be implemented, mechanics to be programmed, and scenarios to be created. We are just starting. We also have a demo planned to be released in the next month that will be available to download in our website, so keep your eyes on Labchange for not missing it. We are working on this project with our hearts and souls, because we really believe that it can make the difference in the lives of many people around the globe, just like it did to our team. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and we are counting on you to help us change the lab.